Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I decided to film myself just styling my U-part. So I haven't worn a U-part in a very long time. I had got some severe heat damage because I had no clue what I was doing with my natural hair. So I decided to give the U-parts a rest and give heat a rest. But I decided since it's winter time, I'm gonna go ahead and just put on a U-part. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten out my leave out. So today I'm going to be using the Applebee's Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner as my heat protectant. And I'm going to first blow dry my hair. And then I'm going to go and straighten it. So when it comes to blow drying, I like to first do, I think it's called the tension method or stretch method, I don't know, but what I like to do is I like to stretch out my hair, and then I like to run the blow dryer from root to end and stretch my hair as much as possible before I go in with a brush to cause less friction and cause less breakage. So that's what I'm gonna do first, and then from there I'll show you guys how I like to style my hair.
What we do here is go back.
So now that my hair is all straightened, I'm going to be using some black beeswax to help lay down any flyaways. Also, this helps my hair from reverting back to curly, and also I use this to help me style my hair as well. So now I'm going to add 2 braids on the front half of my hair. I like to do this hairstyle because it's just simple, it's just easy, and it's really cute. Also, it's low maintenance, and it also helps my natural hair from reverting so quickly as well. what else I like to do is I like to grab some spritz. This is just for extra security so my hair doesn't revert, especially since it's been raining lately. I like to spray some spritz into my hand and then pat it on my hair, and then I like to go in with the blow dryer on a warm setting just to dry up the spritz and give it like that little hard kind of shell over my hair, so that way my hair doesn't revert. Sometimes I like to pop in a few curls just to give the hairstyle a whole look, but today I didn't have enough time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!